Good morning. Today's a good day, and you know what? I think it's going to be a good week. Currently here in a hotel in Orlando, Florida, enjoying my early morning coffee. From here, Patti and I are going to be heading to Port Canaveral and hopping on a cruise ship. We're going to be going around the Caribbean for about a week. Going to enjoy some nice weather, some great scenery, and hey, we thought we'd make a little video about it. This might be a little bit longer video than usual because, you know, it's gonna be an entire week-long cruise. So, come along with us, see what we see. We are currently at Port Canaveral. There's a couple other ships at this port. We have the Carnival Freedom and it's some sort of Disney ship. We're not sure which one that is. We are sitting on our balcony. Patty's reading the itinerary, trying to figure out where to go, what to do.
Freestyle daily.
Freestyle daily. So we'll be getting that every day and enjoying this week. We are sitting in the atrium. We found the mojito bar. Patti has a red mojito and I have sort of a light green mojito. Mine's actually a Bacardi mojito and you have a
Raspberry guava.
Oh. Here's a bit of a room tour. We have a little deck out here. A couple chairs overlooking the ocean. Our room. Nice king-size bed. We have a live-in wife. Little couch there that I think can be converted into another bed. Our luggage just got delivered. Here's the door. Here's the restroom. Sink, toilet, nice size shower. This is going to be our home for the next week. We tried to explore the ship a little bit yesterday when we first got on board. It was pretty crowded, a lot of people trying to figure out what they were doing, as we were. So today's gonna be a little bit more exploring, checking out beautiful spaces like this atrium here. Our first stop on our cruise is in the Dominican Republic. We are at Cove.
Smell the coconut rum, okay? There we go. Coconut here?
Cheers.
Coconut. You need a hole? Oh, pina colada now. Shake it.
Coconut.
What did you think about the rum tour?
It was good. We didn't know much about rum, but the tasting was longer than the whole tour.
That was an okay thing. We are now heading out of the Dominican Republic. Our next stop is the U.S. Virgin Islands. We are now pulling into St. Thomas in the Virgin Islands. Gorgeous houses here. Beautiful, expensive looking boats. Hi. We are on the Stars and Stripes, enjoying a beautiful day of sailing and snorkeling. Patty's currently in the water looking for fish. Hey, how was your day?
My first experience snorkeling. I found out I'm not as good at it as I thought I might be.
Well, from where I was standing, you looked like a champion.
Oh, yeah.
It was a rough swim, huh?
Yeah, those waves were quite the thing. The closer you got to shore, they got really powerful. And I had one guy, I went in just to rinse off, and I fell over, and one guy helped me up. So then I went and found another lady who kept falling over trying to get out. So I offered her my hand because she couldn't get out either.
We're fully under sail on the Stars and Stripes catamaran in the U.S. Virgin Islands. This is living. We are finding that every one of these port towns that we visit has one of these gift store malls. Every gift store has exactly the same gifts as the store right next door. It was an early morning arrival into the British Virgin Islands. This is Tortola. We are going to be hopping on a bus, touring the lush countryside, and then later on getting on a boat and checking out some of the islands around this area. This means we are officially ticketed to take a land and sea tour of Tortola. Land was supposed to come first, but we are currently on a boat. So we'll see if we got on the right boat.
Just one look at you, and I know it's gonna be.
Where pirates have their wild parties. You guys see my boat?
We had a really nice boat tour on this blue boat here. Took us around a few of the British Virgin Islands. Got to see Treasure Island, a couple other places too. We are at one of the scenic overlooks on Tortola. Beautiful blue water. Colorful houses all over these hillsides. We're a little wind blown. Had a very exciting ride up to the top of this hill. It's gorgeous though, isn't it?
Yep, it is. Beautiful.
These are the tour buses we are currently taking. They squeeze them in there. It might not look like it from this angle, but the roads going up and down these hills, treacherous. I don't know how anybody could actually live here and drive up and down these roads every day. Our bus driver did a pretty darn good job. Tortola, the British Virgin Islands. Hey dear.
Hey.
I got an idea.
What?
Let's go get a beverage.
Okay. Sounds like a fun.
Here we are at the District Brew House. Patty found one of her favorite drinks. It's sort of a berry drink. Not sure what kind of berries,
Peach
but
berry.
peach berry.
Ever hear of that?
I never heard that a peach was a berry.
Don't leave me, girl. You know, ain't too proud to move, baby, baby. And I started calling in there much too soon. Will y'all ever sing a one night?
I've discovered one of my favorite things to do on a cruise ship is to wake up early, grab a coffee, a couple of Danishes, and find a nice quiet spot to sit and relax. In a couple hours, hundreds of people are going to be wandering through here, enjoying life. Patti and I are going to take part in this sunrise trivia. See how awake we are this morning. So, I don't play cricket. I don't think Patty's ever played cricket, but we're going to guess. What do you think? I'm going to say 8.
I'll say 10.
Okay, let's take 9.
I will be given as much reason for me to live that green rises.
So Patty and I have determined
I've
that
been here in
we know
this
nothing
place
about
in
morning
November.
trivia. We're doing good?
Nope.
We're not doing good.
Nope.
Okay, it's scoring time now.
You can shout
Let's
at
see.
them when they're all blinking.
So how many do we get, Patty?
Of course not.
1, 2,
Let's say
3, 4,
18
5,
now.
6, 7.
7. I wouldn't say we failed. We got 7 out of 20. Well, no, I guess that is failing. Oh well. Here we are at Great Stirup Cay in the Bahamas, enjoying a nice swim in the ocean. Man, it's gorgeous out here. Patty's working her way into the water. It's a little chilly when you first get in, but you know, it's not as cold as it would be if we were in Wisconsin right now. We are back at Port Canaveral. Looks like there's a Disney ship, a Carnival ship, and a Royal Caribbean ship. We started this a week ago, and sadly, our cruise vacation to the Caribbean is now over. We are going to make this short and sweet. We are at the Orlando airport waiting for our flight to get home. We had a great week. Thanks for coming and seeing the stuff we did. Hope you had a great week. Bye. This means we are officially ticketed to take a tour of Tortola.
Tortola.
Tortola. Sounds like a Mexican dish. No, an Italian dish. I don't know what I'm saying. Cut. Hey, this is saltwater.